take a look what you can buy from Aliexpress. And it comes in blue, green, red color. And what is it? It's a USB car charger socket, dual 3.0 quick charge, 12 volts, 24 volts car adapter with LED digital voltmeter. And it's not $1, it's $8.59, but it's very smart thing. And the second thing that I ordered is this DIY mini digital voltmeter 22mm round AC from 12 volts to 500 volts AC voltage. Remember that? Voltage tester meter monitor. And it comes in orange, green, blue, white. $1. With welcome deal is $1, but the regular price is $1.55. And I got them both. What cute gadget! This is the AC voltmeter. And here it is, the DC car socket voltmeter with USB. And sponsor of this video is Condor 1. Essential for war. Condor 1 20,000 mA emergency crank radio. Can charge 2 phones at the same time. It comes with free compass and fire starter, reading light with better angle. Condor 1 is patented product by Xingji Yigou. Hot sale in Netherlands, Denmark and other European countries. The upgraded version is XSY330. Welcome to Wholesale Genuine Products from the link in description below. Shenzhen Xingji Yigou Import-Export Company was established in 2014. It's a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of solar radio, flashlight and so on. They have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control, inspection and company running. Their experienced team are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. For more information about this product, you can check in description below. Thank you. Okay, let's continue with this guy. As I said, it's a car plug socket that can show the battery voltage right here, the amperes, and it have quick charge 3.0 USB plug. This is the rubber. Behind is marked where goes the positive, where goes the negative wire. And let's turn on. Negative. Let's try this way. Positive. Oh, awesome looking. 12.4 volts. That is the voltage that I'm sending from my power supply. And 000 amperes. Looking nice. This way can be seen. Alright. It's a simple device, but very practical. Why? Because it shows the battery voltage, and at the same time, when you plug in some phone or other thing in the USB, you will read the current. And by the way, this is my latest electronic load that I made it. I have a full video, check in my channel, plug in, and right now it's pulling 480 milliamperes it shows, with one row. I'm gonna turn the second row. Come on. 1.1 amp. Will it give 3 amperes as it says on the specs? Third row. 1.8 volts. Look, 3 rows. Okay. 2.5 amperes. Doing great job so far. And the last one. Yes, 3.2 amperes is giving 3.2 amperes and the voltage little bit dropped to 12 volts. It was 12.4, I think. Yes. Alright. This is good. 000. Simple device, but very useful, as I said. And this quick charge 3.0 can deliver 3 amperes of power. Alright. I like it. Okay, and the next gadget is this one. Come on, man. Alright. It's a AC voltmeter that can work from what it says 20 volts to 500 volts maximum AC voltage. At bottom there is a connectors for connecting the AC wires, and let's do that first. I connect the 2 wires, AC wires, neutral and live, and like this. Plug in 3, 2, 1. Yes, 230 volts. Looking nice with that orange color. Okay, this is a great gadget for monitoring the AC voltage in your home. Okay, let's measure the voltage with my multimeter and compare is the same. Okay, here I have my multimeter. It's set on AC voltage. On this voltmeter show 230 volts. Let's measure 234. It's pretty close. 234, 232 on the panel socket. That is correct. I like it. In my left hand I'm holding the AC voltmeter that is $1, $1.5 from Aliexpress, and in my right hand I'm holding the DC voltmeter socket with amperes that shows on the USB. Both of them are nice gadget. The links will be in description below. That was all in today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!